Hello. The mystery of Stonehenge. Thousands of years ago, an ancient civilization constructed a circle of huge rectangular stones in a field in the southwest of England. Stonehenge is still a mystery. Construction began around 3,100 years BC before Christ. It continued in phases up until about 1600 BC. We do not know why it was built. Stonehenge. These are the sarsen stones, the big stones. These are the blue stones. Winter solstice. Summer solstice. How was Stonehenge built? The biggest of Stonehenge's stones, known as the sarsens, are up to 30 feet, 9 meters tall. The sarsen stones weigh 25 tons, 22.6 metric tons on average. Scientists believe that they were brought from Marlborough Downs, a distance of 20 miles, 32 kilometers to the north. Transporting the stones that distance was probably not easy. Smaller stones, called blue stones, weigh up to 4 tons and come from Western Wales. These stones were transported 140 miles, 225 kilometers, but we do not know how. What was Stonehenge? There are a number of theories what the site was used for. Archaeologists agree that the site had a spiritual significance. Perhaps it was originally a cemetery. Scientists believe that the burials took place at the same time as Stonehenge was built. Scientists suggest that the stones were possibly gravestones for religious or political elite. Stonehenge was probably built so that it aligns with the sun on the winter solstice. There is also archaeological evidence that pigs were slaughtered at Stonehenge in December or January. This suggests that ancient pagan sun celebrations took place here. Stonehenge also has excellent acoustics, and so perhaps it was an ancient concert hall or cathedral. Bye-bye.